Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants from puff pastry. This easy method saves a lot of time compared to traditional recipes. First, ensure your puff pastry is properly thawed but still cold. You'll also need a few simple ingredients like a little butter, some sugar, and an egg for an egg wash. This approach makes delicious, flaky croissants accessible to everyone, even beginners. Now let's shape our croissants. Gently roll out your thawed puff pastry sheets on a lightly floured surface until they are about 1/8 inch thick. Next, cut the pastry into triangles. A good size is about 4 inches wide at the base and 6 inches long. Starting from the wide end, roll each triangle tightly towards the point. This creates the classic croissant shape, ready for baking. Once shaped, place your croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. Allow them to proof in a warm spot for about 30 minutes. They will puff up slightly. Before baking, brush each croissant with an egg wash made from 1 egg and a splash of water. This gives them that beautiful, golden brown, shiny crust we all love. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Your croissants are almost ready. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool slightly. They are best enjoyed warm, perhaps with some jam or chocolate. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade croissants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.